S5, Chapter 7, Equation of Circles, Lesson 2. Last lesson, we learned the standard form and general form. So let's do some revision. For standard form, we have the center HK and the radius. The standard form of circle is x minus h square and then bracket y minus k bracket square equal to the radius. Remember, you can use this to represent a circle of equation. Next is the general form. For general form, actually we will expand it from standard form so that it can form x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. And for the center, it is negative d over 2, negative e over 2, by using these two unknown. This lesson will focus on this. But before this, we'll do some exercise for equation of circle. Given center 2, negative 5 and radius 4. For standard form, we'll use x minus 2 square plus y minus bracket negative 5 square equal to the radius square. So we simplify. It becomes this. It is standard form. If the question asks you to use the general form, then you need to expand it. Now this one is standard form. For general form, then we expand it. So we do the rainbow x minus x times x minus x. So it becomes x squared minus 2x 4x plus 4. And then for this one, y plus 5 times y plus 5. So y squared plus 10y plus 25 equal to 16. Then we put x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 10y. And then for number, it is 13. So general form, standard form. This lesson will focus on general form to find the center and then the radius. For center, remember we need to put the general form into this format. The coefficient of x squared and y squared must be 1. Okay, must be 1. And then we can use negative this one d over 2 and then negative e over 2 like this for center. Next, we'll find the radius. For radius, actually it is using this one square, you see. That means the x coordinate of the center plus the y coordinate of the center and then minus f minus this one. Okay, so let's see an example. We have this equation of circle. The coefficient of x squared and y squared is 1, so no problem. Then we'll use this formula to find the center. We'll use this one, negative 4 over 2, and then negative 8 over 2. Okay, so after simplification, we can get 2 and then negative 4. And for radius, we'll use h squared plus y squared, that means h squared plus k squared minus f. F is 11. Take square roots. Then you can press the calculator inside the roots. So we can get 9. Finally, take square root for 9. It is 3. Okay. Now try to do question 2. Let's check it. First, we can find x squared and y squared. The coefficient is 1, so we can continue. For center, we use negative this one, negative 10 over 2, and then negative 4 over 2. So it becomes 5 and 2. Both are positive. Next, for radius, h squared plus k squared, and then minus, open bracket, 35. Remember with square roots. So you can place the calculator inside the roots, so we can get root 64. So the radius is 8. Now, let's see question C. We have an equation of circle. Coefficient of x, y, 1. So we can do the center. Find the center. The center is, this time you can see, no x wall. So that means it is 0, that means negative 0 over 2, actually 0. And then for k, it is negative 1 over 2. So after simplification, we can get 0 and then 1 over 2. And for the radius, we use h squared plus k squared minus f. That means 12 square roots. Then you can use calculator to place the number inside the square roots, but you can find it is negative. If we take square for negative, actually it's error, math error. So for this situation, actually this circle is a fake circle. It is a fake circle. That means just imaginary, no such circle. Next, we will see another equation. This format. You can see the coefficient of x and y squared are 4. So we need to remove it. If you want to remove it, that means we need to divide by 4 to whole equation. So 4 divided by 4, it becomes x squared. 4 divided by 4, y squared. Negative 40 divided by 4, negative 10x. X divided by 4, it is positive 2y. And 380 divided by 4, it is equal to negative 95. Then we can find the center. So negative 10 over 2 and then negative 2 over 2. So we can get 5 and negative 1. Then we will find the radius. For radius, 5 squared x squared plus k squared minus f with square roots. So you can find it is square root 121. So it is 11. Okay, now try to do question 3 and 4. Find both center and radius. Let's check it. For the center, now actually you see coefficient is 1, so no problem. So you can see both x term and y term without x and y term, so then both are 0. Negative 0 over 2, negative 0 over 2, so 0, 0. That means at the origin. And then for the radius, 0 squared plus 0 squared minus bracket negative 9, negative 49, square roots. So square root 49, so it is 7. Question 4. For question 4, you can see the coefficient of x squared and y squared is 2. So that means we need to divide by 2 to whole equation. So 2 divided 2 is x squared, and then y squared. X divided 2, negative 4x. 12 divided 2 is 6y, and then negative 6 divided 2 is negative 3. So we can find the center. So negative 4 over 2, and then negative 6 over 2. So we can get 2 and negative 3. Then we can find the radius. So 2 square, because of this, plus negative 3 square minus negative 3. So we can get square root 16. So it is 4.